Hello everyone, and in this LuxMounts Monday guide, I will show you 10 commands that I use every day. At this point, if you have an Amazon device that has you-know-what on it, I recommend that you mute it. Great, now let's get into the 10 Alexa commands that I use every day. Number 10, Alexa, what's the weather?
In Newington, it's 9 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Tonight, you can look for cold temperatures with a...
With this command, she tells you the weather for today, but if you have a device with a screen, it brings up a nice forecast for the next few days. Number 9, Alexa, set an alarm for 6 a.m.
Alarm set for 6 a.m. tomorrow.
This is a very simple command, but very important. I set this before I go to sleep, and in the morning it wakes me up. Number 8, Alexa, how do I make a chocolate cake?
Okay, for chocolate cake, here's a few recipes. Too much chocolate cake.
Well, I don't exactly make chocolate cake every day, but the concept is there. When I want to know how to make something, I just ask her, and since in the kitchen I have a wall-mounted Fire 7, it shows me everything I need visually. Number 7, Alexa, play Iron Man 2. When I discovered this feature, I was amazed. I'm not specifically talking about playing Iron Man, but movies in general. If you start watching an Amazon Prime movie on, let's say, your phone, you can go up to another device with a screen and tell it to play exactly what you were watching, and it will resume where you left off on another device. Number 6, Alexa, drop in on MK Echo Dot.
MK Echo Dot, right?
Yes. If you have multiple Alexas, you can tell it to drop in on the other ones and use it as an intercom system. So this is great for if you have one upstairs and one downstairs, you can talk to whoever's downstairs from upstairs from this device. Before we continue with the list, I'd like to remind you that every month LuxMounts gives away a tablet and a LuxMounts wall mount kit for it. This month LuxMounts is giving away an Amazon Fire 7 wall mount kit and an Amazon Fire 7 tablet. The winner will be announced on the first Monday in February. To enter the giveaway, go to luxmounts.com and click on the giveaway tab, or the link is in the description. Number 5, Alexa, create an announcement.
What's the announcement?
Dinner is ready.
Announcing.
Dinner is ready. This is a command that I learned just a few days ago, and I'm so glad I did. With this command, you can create an announcement that will be broadcasted to all your Echo devices. So I don't know if you guys heard in the video, but my Echo over there said the announcement. Number 4, Alexa, shut down. What this command does is turn off my lights, close my blinds, turn off my computer setup, and turn off my TV setup. This is a simple routine I created in the Alexa app. There are so many routines you can make. So I don't know if you guys heard in the video, but my blinds closed and a bunch of things clicked, and there was a little bit less light on me, hopefully. Well, let's go ahead and turn it back on. Number 3, Alexa, turn off MKTV. You can already tell what this does. It turns off my TV. I accomplished this by simply installing the Samsung SmartThings skill because it's a Samsung SmartThings enabled TV. Number 2, Alexa, remind me to upload a video on Monday. I mean, it's not like I forget to make a video for you guys every week, but the concept is there. I use her to make sure I stay on top of things and everything that I need to do. Number 1, Alexa, set MK blinds to 50. It was my dream for the longest time to be able to control my blinds from my phone, but the fact that I can control them just by using my voice is on another level. If you guys want to be able to control your blinds, then check out the videos on my channel regarding them. They are a cheap and easy way to control your blinds. Alright, that concludes this LuxMounts Monday guide. Come back next Monday where I'll show you how to lock down your Android tablet, or in other words, turn it into a kiosk. This is the first step in our goal, our smart home from the tablet. If you are interested in picking up a wall mount kit for the Amazon Fire tablets from LuxMounts, then head on over to luxmounts.com, or you can find it on Amazon. But it's cheaper if you buy it from luxmounts.com, as well as free shipping on all orders. Supply is limited, so pick one up today. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you found it helpful, press the like button. If you're a smart home enthusiast, then subscribe. If you want to watch more smart home content, then check out the videos on the screen. Anyway, see you all next Monday.